Okay, here's my second video. These are the outside cool weather plants, and the warm weathers that I made my own little handmade what is this called? Greenhouse, right? Because it gets so cold at night. So here I finally have some action. This is the zucchini planted on April 26th. I have 2 plants coming up. This is the peas. We have 1, 2, 3. Okay. I have the green beans. Only 1 has finally come up, and I'm guessing that's because it was so cold. I shouldn't have put that out so soon. And this is the cauliflower. We have 1 little plant only. It's still nice to see. And this is the carrots. They're very tiny. It's kind of hard to see them. I just watered them, so they're a little flat. And then this bucket is the lettuce. There's a little one there, a little one there, a little one there, and there. And this one is the cabbage. I had 4, but it looks like this one and this one, I don't know what's going on, but I have these 2. Over here, we have flowers. So I have morning glories. These are a vine. And then this is gypsophilia. Nice little plant, Shasta daisies. And over here we have there's no action on the Brussels sprouts yet, unfortunately. But here is the spinach. We have a bunch of little plants. And these are all my sunflowers. I don't know what I was thinking. I have a lot of sunflowers. And then these are Elysium, more little plants. So far so good. We got some action, huh, Gabriel? So I'll keep you updated. So it's been about 2 weeks for most of these. So we'll see. Bye.